Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Karthika. I am from Tamil Nadu. I've completed my bachelor's degree in computer application in 2023, and after my graduation I've been looking for a job, and I wanted to switch my career in IT domain, but unfortunately I didn't get any support or any opportunity to at that time. So in late 2025 I saw one of the post in LinkedIn where I got to know about Evision Technoserve 45 days internship program. So I took the contact with the concerned person and I enrolled in the program, and I've successfully completed the 45 days internship over there. During my internship program, I learned Windows administration, virtualization, ITIL, CCNA, and many more things. And also I have hands-on experience in troubleshooting. So these are the things which I've learned in Evision, uh, and also many more things, and their guidance and support helped me a lot, very much, to crack my interview. And I'm happy to share that I've got selected in QUESS Corp company with the package of 3.5 LPA, and I'm very happy to choose Evision, and I enrolled in the program. And mentor and the HRs were very supportive throughout the process of the interview and also during the internship also. So if you are looking for a job, and if you want to switch your career in IT domain, so please go on enroll in the Evision. They are very supportive, and we can find great opportunity to job. And thank you so much.